Okay, unboxing Xiaomi USB-C charger. I bought it for 2500 Pakistani rupees. That's almost like 20 bucks. You can see me USB-C power adapter. Let's unbox that. By the way, I bought it for my iPad Pro 10.5 because the stock charger which came with it was only 12 watts and it charged it pretty slow. I mean, sorry for the video quality. I don't have a tripod. I'm filming it with my smartphone. Wow, it's dark in here, isn't it? And the bed doesn't seem that much dark with my eyes. Okay, you can see all those specs. There's 5 volts at 3 amperes, 12 volts and 3 amperes, and so on. All of the stuff is in Chinese. So there's a power brick. Wow, that's very small for the power specking, and that is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and surprising, it's pretty decently big. I think so. That's 1 meter cable. That's like 3.33 feet. Pretty decent, and nothing else in the box. Just that. That's I guess the manual, which is written in Chinese, so I'm not gonna go with it. Really, guys, I'm very surprised with the size of that thing. It's kind of very reminiscent of Apple power bricks. I mean, if I can compare it to you just quickly, that is Apple Xiaomi Mi 45 watt charger, and that is the Apple one. You can see even their mechanism is kind of the same, isn't it? Oh, that's nice. So that was my unboxing and early initial impression, I guess. So thanks guys for watching. Peace.